So welcome to Bunny's Designs. This is a live stream with live people all having a natter in chat. It's recorded for Ustream.tv and also for YouTube for people to watch at their leisure. I've had a bit of a splurge, shall we say. Quite a few years ago now, I bought these wonderful watercolours, and they've been in here quite a few years, and they've still got quite a lot of colour on them, but some of them I've kind of fallen in love with. And this particular one, the Tea Rose, is my fave, absolute fave. Can I have another lunch? But the Tea Rose and one of the greens I used to colour this page, and I really enjoyed colouring with just two colours, and then the yellow one, or the gold one I should say. But I really liked this. It was very comforting, and it was very easy to do. And the one colour that I used in all of this with my Derwent No. 1 water brush was the Tea Red Rose of the Peerless. So I've been looking about, and I put these tiny squares in, and then because the book's lasted quite well, I've made bigger squares. So I thought, well, I really need bigger squares for this as well, which led me to the Peerless website, and of course I had to buy, whoopsie, the full set of, oh, look at this. I don't remember them being packaged like that last time. Oops, I don't want to tear that. So these wonderful colours are from Peerless, and they are Peerless transparent watercolours. And I think I'm going to stick this on my label there, because I shall use that next time. Now they have actually brought out a travel one, but I like them in my other one. So this must be just an old piece of paper, and it arrived very quickly actually, I have to say. So there's another one of those things. So that one as well. Shut that in there for a minute. So it arrives in this old vintage, gorgeous vintage paper, which is quite nice. So the new ones I haven't got are the hair colours. So I bought the hair colours. I bought the original set in the book. Look at these yummy things, yummy. And I also bought the bonus pack, the same size, and that's going to allow me to put them in. They should just fit. I'm going to cut a bit off of all of them because I want them for another book as a present. But I think I'm going to put those in my colour book, and they'll have a page. I think I'm going to put them with a page because I absolutely adore those. I have a small photo album, which is what this is. So they are going to go into a new book, a new travel book of my watercolours. And somewhere down here should be Red Rose, Tea Rose Pink. In fact, you can buy these individually, and I did mean to ask them to put 2 more of those in, but I forgot, because that will disappear, that Tea Rose Red. So that was a really quick unboxing of these gorgeous Peerless watercolours. You do need a colour swatch because the Royal Crimson looks like this, when in actual fact they look like this. So the Royal Crimson is that one. So I do a colour swatch and I put them in my little book and I name them as well, but I don't think I'll do that this time. I'll name them, but I won't cut them up into small pieces because they'll last a lot longer. These I replenish by re-scratching them, so that's okay. I think I'm going to do the Gansai Tambi watercolours. I'm going to do bigger because I love this set, but it's a bit small for me. So I'll probably pass this on to my daughter who's at uni, and she's got thousands of colours in here. Then I can remake them because I now know I use these more. So thank you for watching. Very quick unboxing of my Nicholson's Peerless transparent watercolours.